What's on, guys? Welcome back to another venture. We just drive 5 hours, come to Pulaski, and tomorrow morning we try to fishing the Steelhead. Today I got two special guests on my video. Let's go in the room and I show you who is this. Okay, so here we go. We got Stripe Under. How are you, Jason?
How are you guys?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You
Okay,
ready?
so what are you doing?
I do my centerpin.
Okay, nice. So you prepare all your stuff, right?
Stuff, yeah.
Okay, very good. Over here, we got him. Fish on! What's
Hey,
up,
buddy,
Fish
how you
on?
doing? How are you? How's everything?
Very good, very good.
Getting my gear ready.
Your gear is ready?
Not yet, but almost ready.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, nice.
Setting
Look
up
at
my
that.
fly reel. We're gonna be
Beautiful.
fishing with this neat
Nice.
setup that I just put it together last night.
All right, nice.
Yeah, tomorrow we're
So
gonna see how it works.
everybody is start to prepare all the
Yeah,
gear.
we should be sleeping, but we're getting ready for tomorrow.
That's right.
Yeah, we should
So always
fish on.
fish on.
Yes.
Look at that. Yeah, he's on, he's on. Come on. It's very big.
You're almost cross.
Hey, yeah, come on.
Like go come down further.
Ah.
Gallon effort, sir.
Yeah.
Go on. There we go. Good job. There we go, guys. Nice one. He's on. Fish on, guys. Fish on.
Keep in the water, keep in the water. Keep it in the water. Yeah, take it. Mikey. Nice one, eh?
Oh,
Can't let him go.
there we go. That's it. Guys, take care. I'll see you next time, okay? Take care, Mikey. Take care. No problem. I send you tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So just let's say thank you to the two special guests. So thank you so much, Fish On, to join on my video. And I hope we see you soon.
Yeah, like
Okay?
okay.
And remember, and let's say thank you to
Stripe.
Stripe Under. Thank you to join on my video.
Bye guys.
It was my pleasure, and I see you soon.